Today I am reviewing the Beelink SER9 Pro AI Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. At the heart of this mini PC is the AMD Ryzen AI 9 365 processor, a third-generation AI chip featuring 10 cores and 20 threads, clocking up to 5.0 GHz. That means blazing fast multitasking, near-instant responsiveness, and intelligent processing that adapts to how you work. But doesn't stop there. The total AI performance, including the CPU, GPU, and the built-in NPU, reaches an astonishing 73 TOPS, making this one of the smartest and most efficient mini PCs ever built. If you thought AI was just for smartphones, think again. The Beelink SER9 Pro is equipped with smart voice recognition technology powered by a dedicated AI chip. Whether you're issuing commands from across the room or speaking during a Zoom meeting, this device picks up your voice clearly, filtering out background noise for a natural, studio-quality result. No extra mic needed, it's built right in. And now let's talk about visuals. The SER9 Pro is driven by the AMD Radeon 880M integrated graphics processor, featuring 12 cores running at 2,900 MHz. Whether you're working with 4K video, doing photo editing, or casually playing AAA games, this GPU delivers. Need even more firepower? It supports ray tracing and works seamlessly with the onboard NPU to enhance rendering quality, generate AI images, and deliver stunning 3D performance. Even better, you can output to 3 4K displays simultaneously via HDMI, DisplayPort, and a full-featured USB 4 port. Talk about a productivity dream machine. Let's look at the storage and memory. You get 32 GB of ultra-fast LPDDR5X RAM running at 8,000 MHz, providing more than enough headroom for creative professionals, developers, or multitaskers. The included 1 TB PCIe 4.0x 4 SSD delivers lightning-fast boot times, smooth application launches, and plenty of room for large files. And if you ever need more, this unit supports expansion up to 8 TB. But none of this would matter if it ran hot or loud. And that's where the MSC 2.0 cooling system comes in. It intelligently pulls air in from the bottom and exhausts it from the back, maintaining peak performance with noise levels as low as 32 decibels. That's whisper quiet, even when you're rendering video or running large code builds. Connectivity-wise, this thing is loaded. Dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, USB 4, multiple USB 3.2 and USB 2.0 ports, dual audio jacks, and even built-in stereo speakers. No need for extra dongles or accessories. This machine is ready to plug in and power up any workstation, entertainment hub, or creative suite right out of the box. And here's something you don't always get. Lifetime technical support, a 1-year free warranty, and 24/7 after-sale service. Beelink stands behind their hardware, and it shows. You also get a power adapter, HDMI cable, and all the essentials to get started immediately. So, who is this mini PC for? It's for the video editor working in 4K, the student learning AI coding, the home office user who wants something quiet, fast, and reliable, the casual gamer, the digital artist, the streamer, the multitasker. With its blend of power, AI capability, expansive I/O, and super compact size, the Beelink SER9 Pro truly redefines what a desktop PC can be. If you're ready to future-proof your setup and elevate your computing experience, the Beelink SER9 Pro deserves a place on your desk.